everyone. This is a reminder to use all of your henna comb, even the tiniest henna comb like this one, which is less than 2.5 inches. You can see it's a leftover from another design that I did. Can do quite a bit of henna. Adjust the position of your hand every now and again to be sure you have enough pressure to get to the very last of the henna left in your henna comb. When you get really close to the end of your comb, you really need to think about how much you have left and what you can do with it. Dots are great for that. That teeny tiny henna cone created this quick 2-minute design. Don't waste any henna. Use your comb down to the last bit. Learn more at hennahelp.com. Find me on social media at Jody Beachcombers.